Hi, you are watching my first vlog. It's just a video vlog, and if you're too lazy to write, which I am right now, you make a video of it. So basically I just want to talk about my weekend. I had a great weekend at Quezon. It was a treat of my friend Jet Gonzalvo, so thank you for the wonderful vacation. And I had some clips of I was there, and I wanted to show you a lot. It was a great resort. It's called Pueblo por la Playa. That's like a tongue twister. Pueblo por la Playa. Pueblo por la Playa. Pueblo por la Playa. Pueblo por la Playa. Can't do it. Anyways, I was like super psyched because there was a beach, but at the end of the day, I went in the pool. We didn't go into the beach, so all of us had fun at the pool. We had pictures underwater, we had pictures near the pool while we were synchronized swimming, and it was really hardcore fun. But the clips I'm gonna show you is a bit lame, sorry. I didn't know why I didn't get any videos of while I was in the resort. All in all, it was great, and thank you, and here is the clip. Hello, we're here at the Pueblo por la Playa, and here's Jet, and here's EJ.
Wait, that's so...
Yeah, yucky. And then here's others. Too many to mention.
Erica.
Look at the cam. Charlie, bit your finger. Tapos si Beyonce. Ang dakilang driver. Yeah. Camille. Yvette. Jet.
Manel nga?
Yeah. And like me, I'm your vlogger, whatever. Yay! Ang kita naman ng side. Oh my God.
Feeling ko, ano yung Sentosa? Yung
Sentosa. Wow! Parang ano lang, chicken Alfredo.
Parang Bentosa. Yung Sentosa? Yung kada stop?
Yun. It's like
Kuya Archie. Archie on board.
Huh?
Kuya Archie.
Ah.
Hi, Kuya Archie.
Hello. So right now, we are actually here. We are going to see a lot of massive species right now, and we don't know where we're going next. So here we are, we're going down. Oh my God. I see dead people.
Welcome drink, please. Tangina, hindi pa. Ano na, magbuboxing ka lang talaga.
So anyway,
Wala nang sun.
we have a stopover right now.
Loko lang siya.
Okay, Joe. So what can you say about your bag that it's wet?
Yeah. I'm so pissed. I'm gonna write.
Dear Mr. President.
Asing ko lang. I'm so pissed.
God, this is so annoying.
Napagod sa kaka-overtake.
Oh my God, look at the baller.
Lick.
Lick,
This is so cool.
Look at my baller.
Ew. Thank you. Where is the evidence?
Evidence. Hindi pala siya nakaharap. Dapat, yes.
Yeah, the evidence. Yes, nice contouring. Okay. We are now in the presence of a nice Gucci bag that has been wet. So what can you say, mister? Hey, EJ! You say you want to lose control. Oh, in fairness. Hello, we are walking to our accommodation. Morocco. We're at the Pueblo por la Playa. Ooh, who goes in here? EJ working the Gucci, working it. We're at the Pueblo por la Playa. La 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 la. We're at the Pueblo por la Playa. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Olay! Okay. That's it. Peace out. Hi, we're leaving the resort already. We had so much fun. It was so hot. EJ, what can you say about Pueblo?
Win na win.
Yeah. Yeah.
But the food, no comment.
Yeah, we had so much trouble with the food and the guest service, but besides that, the resort's pretty good. So yeah, we're saying goodbye. Bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Ay, hindi ba? Bye-bye. Bye.
Boy. Ciao.
So here we are. Jet is already at the parking lot. We're gonna meet her there. These are some of the villas. We didn't stay there. Free and stuff, but all in all, it's such a fun experience.
Yung sa Panglao, kasi simentado, tsaka pwede mag-rent ng bike, diba? May mga bike. Sana meron din gano'n. Ito.
I think maganda dyan kasi yung mga furniture-wise.
Oo, mas wala lang.
Oo.
Tsaka ito, Stepper Beach.
Oo, yun.
Pero girl, ang pangat naman ng beach.
Yun lang. Malay mo, nandito lahat ng biyaw.
Oo nga.
Diba?
Biyaw.
Biyaw. Ooh, CRV.
Ooh.
Bahay ko nga pala. Sorry, nag-ilan kayo medyo sa...
Ang totoo. Ito ang bahay mo eh.
Ginagawa ko pa.
Goodbye, Sunny Quezon.
Ganito pala paggawa. Okay, gagawa.
I think ano to, parang...
Yeah, that's my vlog. See you. Bye. And there it is. I hope you enjoyed this vlog of mine. Yeah, do tell me, how did your weekend go? Because my weekend was one of the greatest I've ever had. And I had to share it to you all. Because you're all my friends. And this is Facebook. I don't add people I don't know. Yeah. What was that? Anyways, thank you. Thank you for watching, and